In this video, I will be talking about a situation or a problem when maybe you entered your Wi-Fi password in your system and you forgot like what it was. So how we can get it back so that probably you want to use it in another device or you want to remember it. And before we proceed, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to Windows Nexus as we will keep on bringing these kind of productivity tips and tricks, helping you to elevate your Windows experience. So make sure you subscribe. Alright, let's go back to the topic and I'm gonna quickly show you how you can retrieve your Windows password back. For that, let's click here on this Windows button. Now let's go here in settings. In settings, you need to click on Wi-Fi, or you can also reach to clicking on network and internet. Now click on Wi-Fi. You need to see the network that you are connected to. So here you can see I am connected to this network, or even if you can select other networks, just simply select that and you're gonna see this kind of screen where all you need to do is you need to simply click here on this option which says Wi-Fi network password and click on show, and there you go. This is exactly we wanted. We wanted to see our password. I can now copy it from here, or Windows 11 even went a step further. They are simply providing you a quick connect option where you simply can scan the QR code through your phone and then can get connected. So that's all guys from my side in this video. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.